Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video, I will show you how to install and use the app called Warmly Greetings Pro that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Warmly Greetings Pro. Here it is. Before we install it, let's take a look at the examples in here. These are the things we can do for this app. Alright, let's go back and click on Install to begin the download and installation process. Wait for the app to download and install onto your device. This process should take a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed. While waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this is a must-have free text-on-image or photo-on-image editor app for all occasions and purpose. It's complete fun to use. Unlimited greeting cards for all occasions, a huge collection of quote images, all categories wallpapers, photo frame, text editor, paintbrush and eraser, smileys and emojis, stickers, wish images, different fonts, colors and more. I think it's done. Let's go ahead and launch it. This is the app interface. You have the option to create greetings, quotes, gallery, wallpaper and so on. Let's choose any of the categories in here. In here, let's type the text we want. In this example, I will just type, "I love you, Nancy." The result will be displayed below. Wonderful, isn't it? If you click the drop-down arrow, you will see these options here. Let's go ahead and try the love quotes. And we have result below. You can swipe to the right to see more love quotes. I like this quote about love. It says, "For every day I miss you. For every hour I need you. For every minute I feel you. For every second I want you. Forever I love you." Let's try the motivational quotes. I like this quote that says, "Nothing is impossible." The word itself, "I'm possible," by Audrey Hepburn. This one too, I like this quote. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Let's try the wallpaper. In the drop-down, let's choose beach wallpaper. These are the amazing and beautiful beach taken in full HD. You can use any of these as a wallpaper for your phone. Let's try the full HD wallpaper. These are the example images. Let's go back and try the gallery. Select a photo. I choose this one because she is so cute and I love her. In here, you have the option to draw something, add text, add emojis and place it anywhere you like. You can add images and undo or redo the changes you made. Once you are satisfied with the result, then you can hit the check mark at the top right. In here, you can download the image or share it to your social media accounts. Let's go back and try another one. I will type something like, "I miss you, my love." And the results will be shown below. You can swipe to the right to see more examples. You can also double tap the quote you like to customize it. You can add text, emojis, and so on. You can check all the categories here and see which one suits your needs. In conclusion, the Warmly Greetings Pro app is a fantastic tool for creating customized photo frame cards for various occasions. This app makes it easy to share eCards and wishes. This app allows you to share greetings and wishes for any occasion, such as birthday, anniversary, wedding, and so on. That is it. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.